scratch or a cut or strangulation marks around her neck.
Forensic nurses work mainly with suspects and victims of crime, most commonly victims of sexual assault, domestic violence, and attempted homicide.
Our victims, when they come in, are a live person that has feelings and emotions. They react very differently than, say, a dead body. When a victim comes into the emergency department and has a forensic evaluation, what we're looking for are physical and biological findings. And what I mean by physical findings could be bruises, scratches. They'll be escorted by EMS, which is Emergency Medical Service, which is generally a paramedic, and law enforcement will either be with them at that time or shortly behind them.
The victim is taken to a quiet private room and is asked to let a forensic nurse examine them for evidence.
So at this point they're considered a crime scene. They're just alive, and then we'll take them here into the safe exam room, and we will begin the process of interviewing them, collecting evidence from them.
The evidence is carefully collected from the patient, labeled, and securely packaged. It is then shipped off to the Department of Justice Crime Lab. Once there, the evidence is closely examined and tested. The lab looks for positive DNA by testing semen, blood, urine, saliva, and hair samples. The results are then used by the district attorney's office to piece the case together for prosecution.
Could you go ahead and give the witness a call and just let her know that we're not going to need her for court until probably middle of next week?
Solving cases for the past 23 years, Jody O'Neill, Senior District Attorney Investigator, knows how important forensic nurses truly are.